Hello everyone, it's Miss Obregon, and today I'm going to share with you a great Web 2.0 tool that you can use to create presentations and products for your class that demonstrates not only your creativity but your knowledge, and that is Canva. Canva is one of my favorites, and today you're going to see why. These are all the different products that you can create with Canva. As you can see, you can create documents. It has a whiteboard option, kind of like a think board, presentations, a social media section, videos, print products, as you can see, and even websites, which is pretty neat. But as I said, today we're going to focus on a presentation. As you can see, it's going to show you the many different presentations that it has. I'm going to click the See All option so I can see a variety of options that I have. As you can see on the top, it has different categories that you can go into. I picked education. And look at all these templates that you have to choose from. Isn't that neat? Look at that, it just keeps going. So I'm going to pick something simple. Oh, I like this. Let's pick this one. So when you click on it, it gives you a preview. So say you're looking at it and you're like, yeah, I like that. I think that's something I can use. You're going to go to customize this template and it's going to take you straight to the page where you can actually start working. Now it gives you this option that you can apply all 15 pages if you want. And I'll click on it just to show you. Do you see here how it gave me all 15 pages already there? Now say you don't want all 15 pages. Say you're like me and you're a little bit particular about which templates you're going to use. Did you see what I just did? I clicked the undo button, which I love. So there's an undo button that you can use. And I'm going to pick which slides I like. Now, what I love about Canva is that if you know how to use Google Slides and PowerPoint, Canva is a breeze because it's basically the same concept, only it's going to give you much more options. And as you can see, it's more visually appealing, aesthetically pleasing. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this one. Do you see how I'm just dragging it? Oh, I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to use this one. Now say I want to change up the order. I can do that. I can say, okay, I want this one instead over here. So I'm just dragging and dropping to add my slides. Now, let's say after looking at the slides, I'm like, you know what? It's not doing that. What if I do this? There we go. I don't really like this template. After all, you can scroll down and you'll see an option here that says more like this. So it actually gives you other options that are similar to the one that you chose. So let's say, you know what, I really don't like this one. I'm going to like this one instead. Okay, so I'm going to pick that one. And do you see how it embedded it into this template? So I'm going to apply all 15 pages. Replace all pages with templates. Yes, replace all pages with the template. So now what it did is the pages that I added previously, since I don't want them anymore, it replaced it with this particular template, which is really neat. And then all this that you see here are text boxes that you can move around. So we can move that. We can even remove them if you want. So we can just put that in the trash. We can remove the little hearts. We can move that around. Let's say I like more. I want more of these. I can duplicate, I'm sorry. And I can add more hearts if I want to. I can move the smiley face. All of these are text boxes. I can resize them if I want. So you're going to treat it just like a text box. Notice I deleted that. I'm going to move that just like a text box. Now let's say you want to change the font. So you're going to come up here and it's going to show you the different font options that you have. I like that one. The size, let's say you want only 150. You can do that. I want to center my text box. So there I centered. I want it to have a different color. So I want it to be pink. You can see here all the different colors. You have a change all option where it'll change all the font. And I'll say like, I changed my mind. You go back to the undo button. Say you want to adjust. You can bold if you like. Oh, this one doesn't have bold as an option. Now, if we come over here to the left, you'll see elements. So if I click on elements, you'll notice it has different shapes, different graphics that you can use. Let's click this one. This goes with my project. I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to move it over here. So you see, it also has stickers. So let's look at that one. That one looks neat. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And then look at how I'm resizing it if I want to. If I say, I like this, but I don't want it here, I might use it at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and trash it for now so it's not distracting. And you can see, you can include tables and charts. So if you have information that you want to include, you can do that as well. Delete table. Look at the collections that they have right here. So let's click that. Helping hands. And then again, if I change my mind, I just delete. I like this one. I think this goes with my theme. So you see, it's just like Google and PowerPoint, only so many more options. So let's say I want to add text. So here, did you see what happened? Right here. I'm going to move that out of the way so I can see my text. So if I come here, we can add a heading, a subheading. But look at all these other options that you have to really vamp up your presentation. Look at all those options. So I'm going to click this one. So you see, let me get this out of the way for you so you can see. And again, I'm resizing. You can type in your own text. You can change the size, taking away the bold. Let's change the color, maybe more pink. Oh, that's neat. Okay. So see all that different stuff. And then again, all this, you can delete it, you can move it, you can add some more. It's completely up to you. You can also do different uploads. So if you have, pictures or media in your Google Drive or in your Dropbox that you want to go ahead and add those images in, you can do that as well. Videos, audio, you can record yourself. You can draw if you want to, that has options as well. We go back to the elements. There's some more graphics that we can add and manipulate. So this is just Canva. It's a great presentation tool that you can use in all of your different classes whenever you need to present some information. You can create wonderful and amazing eye-catching products with Canva. And then lastly, I'm going to just show you the share button. When you click on it, you can have anyone with the link, so that way no sign in is required. You can add people here, like your team. If you have group members and you want to add them, you can add them there, and then everyone can edit at the same time, which is a great way to collaborate with your team members. And then you have your different presentation modes. And then of course you would download, save to your Chromebook or iPad, and then you are ready to upload that to your teacher's website. Again, this is Canva. I hope you liked it as much as I like Canva. I think it's really, really neat. And I hope that this tutorial video helped get you started on your way to creating beautiful products with Canva. Thank you so much, boys and girls.